In today's video we are making a nice juicy and crispy skin chicken supreme with a garnish of salted Jersey Royals, or call them Lyonnaise potatoes if you want to. The Jersey Royals are in full season at the moment, so take full advantage of them because they are nice and they are full of flavor. In this mixture I'm adding two other Jersey ingredients, the Jersey butter and the Jersey double cream, and with the last one I'm planning to make a sauce with pancetta and with peas. Nice, easy but efficient. Stay till the end to watch this recipe step by step, and if you're not a subscriber to this channel, please consider, because this is Kitchen Draft, the place where you can learn how to cook or improve your cooking skills. I'll see you at the end of this video. Enjoy! We start this recipe by prepping the chicken. If you buy a whole chicken like I did, something that I highly recommend, you first need to remove the wishbone. You can skip this step, but it will make it a lot easier when you have to take off the breasts. There are different ways and techniques on how to prep the whole chicken. On today's recipe I'm focusing on the chicken supreme, which is the breast with the first joint of the wing attached. Use a sharp knife and go as close as possible to the bone to reduce any meat wastage. When you get to the final point of removing the breast and you want the wings attached for the supreme, find the joint that holds the bones together. This is the place you want to cut through or put pressure, as it is the weakest spot. Now that I started prepping the chicken, I'm also gonna remove the chicken legs, which I'm gonna be using them for a future recipe. Now to trim the supreme, cut across the white tendon and pop it off. For the presentation factor we are going to remove the meat from the wing. Bones don't actually add flavor to the meat in this instance, but they can moderate the heat flow within the cooking breast, ensuring that the fattest part of the breast cooks more gently and evenly, and the breast will definitely be juicier. Moving on, here we've got some beautiful Jersey Royals. We are now in full season of Royals, so if you have the chance, take full advantage of this. Cook them for only 10 minutes as you don't want them fully cooked, and after draining them, leave them to cool down for 10-15 minutes. For the potatoes we need half white sliced onion, and for the sauce we're gonna be using a quarter of finely chopped onion. 15 minutes later and the potatoes are cooled down, so we can start slicing. We want this to be a quarter of an inch in thickness. Now we can start shallow frying. Get a pan on medium heat, add 15 grams of Jersey butter. Once melted, add the sliced Jersey Royals, followed by the sliced onion. For this recipe, as seasoning, all I'm using is salt and pepper. Should you have any other preferences, just go for it. Cook until the onions start caramelizing and keep tossing or mixing time to time. This way you will ensure that the potatoes cook evenly on both sides. Towards the end, add the parsley and you're good to go. Your garnish is ready. Same as with the potatoes, the seasoning for the chicken is salt and pepper. Just make sure you get these on both sides. Place a non-steam pan over medium-high heat, drizzle off 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and place the chicken breast skin side down in the pan. Cook on this side for about 5 minutes or until the chicken skin is golden and crisp. Flip over and add 10 grams of Jersey butter with 2 crushed garlic cloves and some sprigs of thyme. Once melted, baste that chicken with that foamy butter for 1 or 2 minutes. It looks amazing already, just look at that golden color, and this is what you're missing out when you're buying skinless chicken. Bear that in mind when you're next time shopping. Now the chicken will go in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes, depending on its thickness. It can be more or less, enough time to get ready an easy but delicious sauce. Cook the pancetta at medium heat until it's caramelized and add the chopped onion and cook for further 3 minutes or until the onion becomes translucent. Now we can get in the dry white wine. This will get reduced to a quarter. With the wine reduced and the alcohol evaporated, you can now add the Jersey double cream. Of course you could use other cream if you're watching this from Romania, let's say, but if you find this in the shops, go for it to get the best results. Add the garden peas and reduce the cream on low heat for about 2 minutes. You've got to be careful with the heat at this point so the cream doesn't split. No salt needed as the pancetta is salty enough, pepper can be added if you want to, and the sauce is ready. Remove the chicken from the oven when the core reaches 73 degrees Celsius. Allow it to rest for 5 minutes, it will reach the 75 degrees safe to eat temperature without issues, as it's continuing cooking even after being out of the oven. Reheat the sauce or the potatoes if you need to. Some people find it hard multitasking when cooking with multiple ingredients. Not a problem, just do it at your own pace, one thing at a time and adjust at the end. Add a couple of spoons of the pancetta and pea sauce, followed by the salted Royals. Nice and tidy. Slice the chicken in half and place it on top. And there you have it. Chicken supreme with Jersey salted potatoes and an easy pea and pancetta cream sauce. Done. That was Kitchen Draft for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, give you a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because we've got a mission of getting 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I put a video on YouTube. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think about this video and what do you want me to cook in the future. I'll see you in the next one. Share this with your friends and your family, and all the best.